What's in the box? I don't know. I mean, I kind of know. They tell you on the back what's in the box, but I've never opened one of these before. A Pokemon Elite Trainer box. And here in my hand, I've got a Scarlet and Violet base set Coridon Elite Trainer box that I'm going to open. So stick with me as we unbox and see what's really inside one of these things. Let's go. Now, before I begin, I want to say this. First of all, support your local comic book and collective store. That way you can go out and buy these things locally and support the families that are into the same stuff as you in your community. And second, on top of that, now I'm the type of person who always buys two of everything. One to open, one to keep. These things do end up having value. The Elite Trainer boxes that are sealed and fresh, they actually have value, and these can get graded by PSA too. So one of these is going to go on the shelf, and the other one is going to be opened. Let's see if I get lucky and pull anything cool. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, Scarlet and Violet sealed Elite Trainer block box with Coridon on top. This is the red one. There is a purple one, which I'm going to call Violet, that has Miraidon on top. And yes, I will be opening one of those as well. And then I'll even dive into the Paldea Evolved Elite Trainer boxes after that. One at a time, though, because I'd imagine opening these things can take a little bit of time to dig through it. So here we go, removing the plastic cover from this, and we'll start to dig in to what's inside. Now, it does tell you on the back right here. Let me kind of put it in view so that you can see right there in dead center. This is all the stuff that comes with it. So some pretty cool stuff. We've got 9 packs, a foil promo card, which I'm going to guess is this Coridon. I don't know. There's sleeves in case you pull a nice one. You can immediately put it in a sleeve. That being said, those aren't the permanent sleeves that I'm going to use. I am, in fact, got on the side here the card sleeve ones. These, if you actually Google card sleeve, then the number 1 on Amazon or something like that, these are what PSA recommends you ship your cards to them in for grading. This is what they recommend. They specifically say do not use top loaders. So I have card sleeve ones just in case I pull something incredible, which I don't think anything is very expensive in Scarlet and Violet right now, so the likelihood of that is pretty low. So I'll remove the case, and what's in the box is, first of all, your player guide. The player guide is nice because it not only tells you a lot about how to play the game, it also has, first of all, the entire deck of what would be in Scarlet and Violet's base set, and also has a breakdown of how the rarities work and how you can interpret which one is rare versus, ultra rare versus hyper rare and so on. The big thing is the number of stars that they have. If I kind of bring it, you see these 3 gold stars right here. They would be denoted in the bottom corner. That's a hyper rare. 2 gold stars is an illustration rare. It kind of just dials back from there. Interestingly, the illustration rares are fetching a much higher premium than the hyper rares, even though the hyper rares are proven to be more rare. I think people actually gravitate to the art. I think they like the art of the illustration rares, the special illustrations. So there you go. So in this case, Miriam, right here, the illustration rare Miriam, I think is that the illustration rare Miriam? I have an illustration rare Miriam. No, this is the illustration rare Miriam right there. This is actually the most expensive card in the Scarlet and Violet base set as of the time of this recording. So, and I've got one sitting in a stack right behind me that I'm about to ship off for PSA grading. So, moving the player's guide to the side, okay, we'll bring the box back into view here. Now, what happens now? This is like a case or a cover, okay? Okay, I'm learning. And I'm going to pull this away. And inside this, we've got our dice. Obviously, dice, it's cool. It's got the EX dice on it because, EX is kind of the meta for Scarlet and Violet. So I'll set this box and the dice to the side as we start to pull this out. Okay, so we've got flipping coins, so that's good. Also, status effects is what we could think about these as well. So now we'll move the box for a little bit here. We've got inside here, I'm now looking at the booster packs on one side, the sleeves and hollow foils on the other. So let's move this. We're going to take that off. Okay. We'll set the booster packs out. Yes, I'm going to open those. Here are these. Okay, here's the sleeves. Cool. Gold sleeves. I think there's Coridon on the back of these sleeves, which is really nice. Here is the foil promo Coridon that comes with this, so that's really cool. And then, what do we have here? Energy cards. Like a whole stack of energy cards. I think these are all energy cards. Let's just open these up to make sure that I'm not like going crazy here. Energy cards, energy cards. Let's see. Energy card. Yeah, these are all energy cards. Okay. So, now what am I going to do with all these cards? I've got a binder that I'm going to sort these in. Holds 900 cards. And I'll put them in there. Oh, there's more stuff in the box. Okay, more stuff in the box. Not really sure what these are. I probably should have read the back of that, but they're nice. That's for sure. Okay. All right, so here we go. I've got the energy cards, the foil promo set to the side, the sleeves right here. I am absolutely going to use this redemption card. I play the online game multiple times a day, every day. It is a blast. If you like me, have just the kind of schedule where you can't go to your local meetups, then the online game is the way to go. Let's go with pack number 1. Here we go. Coridon on the cover. And I'm just going to open it up. Come on now. There we go. Yeah, gotta save my redemption card here. Okay, so let's see what we got. Shroomish, Mankey, Chirkaday, Cat's Kid, Arvin, Cacturn, Mesagoza, Sandaconda, Toadscroll. Ooh, look at that. Not bad. A Miraidon on the first pull. Okay, cool. And then an energy, and then my redemption card, which I am going to set to the side because I'm absolutely going to use this. Okay, cool. Not a bad first pull. Getting a Miraidon in the mix of that. It's not a Miraidon X. It's just a Miraidon. But still, it's, it's a cool looking card. Legendary Pokemon. Next packet. Let's go. Here we go. I'm going to set my redemption code to the side immediately. All right, so what do we got? Let's do it like this. Magnemite. Energy Switch. A Room. What is that? I can't... It's hard to read upside down. Clouncher. Stonejourner. Penny. Medicharm. Alamomalola. That's a fun one to say. And then what is this? Okay, I gotta turn it over. Quaquavarl. And then a Houndstone. Not bad again. And then, of course, an energy card. Let's put the energy card in the stack over here. Put that energy card over here as well. Okay, so that's stack number 2 in the books. Bunch more to go. All right. So, Elite Trainer Box, first impressions. They make sure you got plenty of energy. They give you a status card. They give you a foil promo. And then they give you 9 booster packs. So that really seems to be like, booster pack heavy is kind of what they're going for. But also making sure you've got like status indicators. The sleeves are nice too. I like having the sleeves as an option. Obviously, what I really want is a special illustration Miriam. Or I'll take, Miraidon X or Coridon X, something like that. Okay. So what do we have here? Potion. Weedle. Energy Retrieval. Lechonk. I love that one. All right. Heracross. Defiance Band, Driftblim, Toxtricity, and, oh, hey, look at this. We've got a single gold. Looks like full-size art. That's nice. Squobit. Then, back to more of a Quabanal. Basic energy, and a redemption card. So energy is going to go over here. Redemption card is going to go over here. Trash is just going to move to the side for right now. And then the stack of cards will go here for sorting into my binder at a later time. All right, cool. Next packet. Let's go. Pull something awesome. All right. Trash can go to the side. Let's do redemption card at the side. Energy into the energy stack. All right. What we got here? Looks like Skiddo, Quaxley, Squovit. This looks like a lot of the same stuff as the first deck. The Charcaday, Quaxwell, Cyclizar, Toadscruel, Tropius, Pokegear 3.0, and then a Cloth. Okay. Nothing terribly exciting in that pack, but nonetheless, we persist. This is the part of degeneracy. It just takes some time to find your cards. They're in there somewhere, right? You're never going to get the rare card if you don't open them. You'd always just buy it. You know, like I do. Buy it outright instead of hoping and gambling on the pack. The packs are fun, but they are gambling at the end of the day. You should really put this in a casino, I guess. All right, Slowpoke, Wattrel. Then we've got Zangoose. Then we've got Krogunk, Nestball. And then what do we have here? Pachirisu. Okay, that's an interesting one. I haven't really seen that one before. Picnic Basket, Professor's Research. Oh, that's a loved one. And what do we have here? The Greavard. Another Professor's Research. Oh, but this one is holographic Professor's Research. Hang on. Yeah. Okay, yeah. 2 different Professor's Research. One of them is a little bit of a holo. Okay, cool. So there we go. And then an energy card can go back into the energy deck, and you can join your buddies over here. All right. Let's see. 4 packs to go at this point. Chugging right along. Recording some fun stuff. Opening packs. Here we go. Another redemption card. Put the energy, which is always on the back, in its place. And let's see what we have here. Lechonk, another good one. Starly. Then we've got Tarantula, Wattrel, Mushold. Then the Vitality Band, Toxtricity again, Energy Switch, Arvin, and Rivavroom. Okay, cool. Yep. Still nothing super rare. That's okay. Can't win them all. Gotta open the cards to win. That's how you play the game. How you get the rares, not how you play the trading card game. But nonetheless, this is how many a deck are built, right? All right, trash on the floor. Pick up later. Redeem card to the side. Energy card in the back. Here we go. What do we have here? A Deedon. Then the Corellia. Switch. The Fuecoco. That's a lovely one to say. And then what do we have here? The Bombirdier. Hypno. Beach Court. Tarantula. Spirit Bomb. And then a Cyclizar. Okay. Again, nothing earth-shattering. Nothing to, call my mom about. But making progress. 2 packs left. Which one should we do? Corridon or Miradon? Let's do Miradon. Opening some packs. Opening some packs. Okay, there we go. Redeem cards to the side. Energy card. In the energy card pile. Don't shake the desk. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. So we've got a Krokorok, Mankey, Squawkbilly, then the Capsicum. I can't read this upside down, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Crocolore, Muck, then Florgus, Spuda, the Oinkologlone. Hey! Corridon X. Still not a special illustration or a hyper rare, but it is getting there with the 2 black stars. So this is a good card. This is a good one that we got out of the pile. There we go. All right, not a total bust. Not a total bust. I mean, I don't think this is worth but like $5, but still, like, it's a good card. It's a good card to have. All right. Moving on. And the final pack right here. Let's move some trash out of the way. Move some trash out of the way. Put my redemption codes to the side. And the final pack. Let's see if I get lucky. We've got a Tropius, Pokeball, the Rotom, Palpad, the Sandaconda, Katie, the Staraptor, haha, Magikarp. Can't go wrong with a Magikarp. Even though you can go wrong with Magikarp, you can't go wrong with a Magikarp. Growlithe, another classic right there. Then the Palmet, that up here is what is going to be my rare-ish card that I get out of this pack, followed by the energy. That's it. That's all the cards that came in an Elite Trainer box. With the exception of the Corridon X, the rest of them, out of this entire stack, were kind of meh, but that's okay. It's hard to pull the rare cards. They're like, a 1 in 400 packs chance of getting something that's like a hyper rare, or like a 1 in 350 chance of getting something that's like a special illustration rare. That's okay. You're not going to win them all. You're not even going to win most of them. But you got to keep playing. I mean, responsibly. Don't go like take out a loan or anything like that. Yeah, here we go. I definitely don't want you to take anything I'm saying here as financial advice. Like, these are great investments. They're Pokemon cards at the end of the day. And this is really just a hobby, and it's fun, and you got to do this stuff, within your budget or within responsibility. But yeah, it is fun. And out of this giant stack, I didn't really get anything that was super exciting except for the Corridon Axe, but that's okay. I still have a sealed box sitting behind me that I can always say I have it. And I opened one to experience it, and I'm going to open more. I'm going to open the Violet one next. I'll do Paldea Evolved after that. I'll open the expansions, Obsidian Flames and 151. So I'm going to go through a big journey here of just opening stuff and just playing and seeing what I get. That is the exciting thing, to pull the cool stuff at the end of the day. So now you know what's in an Elite Trainer box. We're going to see if I keep getting lucky when I open up more Elite Trainer boxes as the journey goes. Thanks for stopping by.